Does Navy Federal Credit Union accept power of attorney? If you are wondering whether Navy Federal Credit Union accepts power of attorney documents, you are in the right spot. Let's break down what you need to know. A power of attorney is a legal document that allows one person to act on behalf of another in financial or legal matters. Navy Federal Credit Union does accept these documents, but there are specific conditions to keep in mind. First, Navy Federal provides its own durable power of attorney form. This form must be filled out completely. It includes important details about both the principal, who is the person granting authority, and the attorney, in fact, who is the person receiving that authority. The form also outlines what powers are granted and any limitations. The power of attorney remains valid until it is revoked by the principal, replaced by another power of attorney, or if the principal passes away. It is essential to clearly mark yes or no for each action the attorney in fact is allowed to perform. However, there are some limitations. Navy Federal does not accept power of attorney for certain real estate transactions. This includes mortgage applications, settlements for purchases, refinancing, or equity loans. So, while you can use the power of attorney for many financial activities, these specific real estate transactions are off limits. When you submit a power of attorney to Navy Federal, you also need to complete a power of attorney cover sheet. This cover sheet must accompany the power of attorney document. If the attorney in fact is not a member of Navy Federal, they must provide a valid government-issued photo identification. Depending on the state where the power of attorney was created, additional documents may be required, such as acknowledgments from both the principal and the attorney in fact. Navy Federal also has a limited power of attorney from 4 specific situations, particularly for California residents. This form is used to supplement requests made through their online portal, by phone, or during branch visits. It is important to note that this limited power of attorney must be notarized. If you are a member wanting to use a power of attorney with Navy Federal, here are some steps to follow. First, make sure to use Navy Federal's specific form or ensure your existing power of attorney meets their requirements. Complete all sections and provide clear instructions on what actions are authorized. Submit the power of attorney along with the cover sheet and required identification. Remember, the power of attorney cannot be used for mortgage or real estate settlement transactions. Lastly, be prepared for possible requests for more documentation based on state laws. This approach helps Navy Federal accommodate members who need assistance managing their accounts while ensuring strict controls on sensitive transactions. It protects both the credit union and its members by clarifying the authority granted under the power of attorney.